We had the protest yesterday in the morning when we want to find out what was exactly the protest all about. We got that they are protesting about the release of the two suspects who were arrested before for murder of Mrs.Petersen in Westbury. Remember, when we arrested the suspects, there were 4 suspects arrested for the case. So the 2 suspects were released. But the case itself is still on, and the suspects were provisionally withdrawn from the case. But we are still following the leads to make sure that we got all the facts to take the suspects back to court. And 2 were released based on the fact that they were not directly linked to the killing of Mrs. Petersen, but the 2 suspects who remained in the custody are the ones who are directly linked to the killing of Mrs. Petersen. In terms of the inciting violence, we have arrested 2 suspects, a female and a male, and we are still calling for the community members of Westbury that they must not be misled by the people who are giving them stories. The family members of the Mrs. Petersen, they know that the 2 suspects were released and they were given feedback by the police. The 2 remaining suspects in custody, the case is on, the case is continuing. They will be coming back to court next month, and we are still investigating. The trial is not yet started, but we believe that with the evidence we have which link them, we believe that at the end of the day, the case will be yielding good results. What we can add is that we are appealing to the community of Westbury. They must abstain from being influenced by people who does not understand how the processes of the court works. By the people who comes to them and mislead them to say this is what happened. Meanwhile, the police and the court have explained to the society, to the family who are close related to the case. So people must know that those who are inciting other people to go and cause a chaos on the street, they are going to be arrested, because we cannot tolerate people to mislead other people with things which does not exist.